This car is moving at the correct real-world speed, but it still feels slow. Why? Because speed in animation is not just about numbers. In this video, I will show you how to set realistic car speed in Blender and how motion blur and camera movement can make your animation feel cinematic. In real life, speed is measured in kilometers per hour, but Blender doesn't understand kilometers. It understands meters and frames. For example, 60 kilometers per hour equals about 16.6 meters. If your animation is about 24 frames per second, the car should move about 0.7 meter per frame. First, make sure your scene scale is correct. Set the units to meter and check your frame rate. Most cinematic animations use 24 frames per second. Now, let's talk about motion blur. This is where speed really starts to feel real. With motion blur turned off, the car feels slow and unnatural. But when motion blur is enabled, the same animation feels much faster. Don't forget, it's very important. Here's a cinematic rule. If everything is moving fast, nothing feels fast. Keep the car sharp and let the environment blur. Camera movement is just as important as speed. A low camera angle and slight camera follow can dramatically increase the feeling of speed. Realistic speed in animation is a mix of real-world value, camera work, and motion blur. When they work together, your animation feels cinematic. If your animation looks good but doesn't feel fast, you now know why. Subscribe for more animation tips that actually make a difference. Bye.